welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make my chicken suya. So guys, I have some beautiful and nice chicken laps. I've washed them thoroughly. Guys, you need to wash your own very well. As you can see, my own is well clean. So guys, these are all the chicken laps that I'm going to use for this recipe. So now let me introduce you to the other ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe. So as you can see, these are all the spices and ingredients that I'm going to use. I have some Scotch bonnet, some thyme, some salt, some black pepper, paprika, chicken stock, garlic, onion, then the Suya spice, and some rosemary. And in this recipe I'm going to use olive oil, but guys, you can use any oil of your choice, it's option. So now I'm just going to blend all those ingredients that I just introduced to you guys. I'm just going to blend everything together, and also I'm going to list all the ingredients that I use for this recipe in the description box. So guys, before you make your own at home, check the description box. You will see all the ingredients that I use. So I'm just blending everything together. So now I'm just going to pour all those ingredients that I blend before. As you can see, I just pour them into the pot, and I'm going to use it to rub the chicken very well. And I'm not going to add any single water into this pot. I'm going to leave the chicken to cook and bring its own stock out. Then I will leave it with the stock to cook for about 15 minutes. Then I'm also going to lower the cooker, just put it in a low heat so that the chicken will just cook gradually. And also I'm using my fork to put a hole on the chicken just for one reason. I want all the ingredients to penetrate inside very well. In that way your chicken will come out very nice and tasty. So I'll just cover it and leave it to cook now. So guys, as you can see, the chicken has bring its own stock out. I'm just going to still leave it to cook a little bit for about 8 minutes. Then I will just set it aside. So guys, our chicken is ready. Wow. So I just placed them in my pan. I'm going to leave them to cool down for about 10 minutes. So now while I'm waiting for the chicken to cool down, I'm just going to mix the Suya spice with my olive oil. You can also, I said it before, you can use any oil of your choice. So I'm just going to mix it very well, with enough of olive oil, of course. So now I'm just going to use my kitchen brush to rub all the body of the chicken with the Suya spice. Make sure you rub it very well so that your chicken will comes out so good and so tasty. I'm just going to flip the other side and rub it as well. So guys, when you make your chicken like this, try it out. It comes out so good. I always do this in my house, so good. My daughter, my husband, they love it so much. I'm just going to sprinkle some the Suya spice. I'm just going to sprinkle them on top of the chicken so that you really feel the flavor of the Suya spice in your chicken. So guys, I've preheated my oven for 10 minutes and I'll set it for 200 degrees. So time to time you just come in and check it. Then I also rub it again about twice. I rub the chicken and the suya spice. I just rub it again while cooking it. I'll rub it, I'll close it, I'll leave it to cook. So if you do it like that, your suya chicken it will just come out so good. So guys, as you can see, it's so good, so tasty, so yummy. Try it in your house, you will love it. So guys, I just want to say a very, very big thank you to you all guys that have been watching my video. Thank you so much. I appreciate, I love you all guys so much. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sade. Feel free to watch the video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe. And above all, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to notify that Sade has uploaded a video. For my old subscribers, thank you so much. I love you all guys. Thank you so much for always coming to watch my video. And guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you all guys. Bye. Ciao ciao tutti.